Good morning, you lovely koi keepers. Quick one. I've got my own little colony now with water lettuce, or whatever you want to call it. Got them off eBay. 30 of them, small, like this, and they're growing rapidly. Within 1 week, they really have doubled in size, tripled in size. So hopefully, I'm gonna have my own colony. Now, I did put a couple of them in here just yesterday, just to experiment, see if the 6 tosi I've got in here would think there was lettuce for them, and of course, yes, they bloody did. They're having a good nibble at the leaf of my water lily, and this was in my pond outside, but I bought this ring in to put in there. And I've got a flower coming, so I'll keep you updated on that. I've put some calcium carbonate in there just to help the pH. Everything is looking fan-dabba-dozy. Happy days. Foggers on for my orchids, Japanese orchids, flowering beautifully. Absolutely beautiful. Temperature in the water, you can't see it from there, but it's 22 degrees in here. Got my auto feeder. I'm going to raffle one of those, or give one of those away soon if people are interested. Ideas how I can give that away. Put some comments in here, please. If you've seen this video, want one of them, find it interesting, please like. Happy days.